Good morning, my dear students. This is your science friend Srinivas. Today, on this 8th February 2024, I have come to ITEMS Engineering College, Aditya Institute of Technology and Management, Tekali. In my guest house, I found very interesting. You can see them. See what's happening here. Can you see it? I hope so. Let me try my level best. I'm going very close to that. You see? Can you see that? Can you observe that? There's something happening there. Okay. You need to find it out what's happening there. You see here? How beautiful is the nature. The colors, the original colors. And you see the contrast of these colors? And also, most interestingly, see the leaves and how beautiful is that, the shapes of the leaves. Who told them to be like that? Wow, what a nature's creation. See how everybody is enjoying the nature. But we, as humans, we're doing lot much against to the nature. That's where the global warming, that's where the climate change, whatnot. Okay? So, let us collaborate with nature. So, nature is very beautiful. Let us protect nature. Okay? How beautiful is this? How beautiful is this? You see here? Interesting, no? See? Here you can see, just now they are budding. Okay? Like you all, budding scientists. You see? There are, just now came up. 10 minutes ago, I have not seen them opening so many. But now you see, many of them are coming up. That's where, you see, you can see there are many ants also. You see? So why ants are going there? You see, there are so many ants. So you need to understand. Okay? Okay then. Enjoy the nature. Thank you. Signing off, your science friend Srinivas from scientificstudents.com.